After days of refusing to sign any kind of bond which was called by some of his party as jail politics, AAP convener Arvind Kejriwal will now sign a personal bond to smoothen the proceedings in the Nitin Gadkari defamation case. Bhushan spoke to reporters on the matter outside the Delhi High Court. AAP leader and senior advocate Bhushan said the writ petition challenging the detention of Arvind Kejriwal in the Nitin Gadkari defamation case came up for hearing. He said the court is ready to hear the important issues and matters, including the bail bond, but had a caveat.
Today, Arvind Kejriwal's writ petition challenging his detention in this Nitin Gadkari defamation case came up for hearing before the High Court. In the morning hearing, the High Court suggested that they would hear the important issues raised in this petition regarding whether any bail, bond or any even appearance of counsel is at all required in such cases.
Bhushan said Arvind Kejriwal was asked to sign a personal bond which he has agreed to. The court hereafter will fully hear the case.
But they, however, proposed that in the meantime, till they hear this matter, Arvind should agree to sign that personal bond and come out of jail, and then his matter would be fully heard. So he has agreed. We thereafter went to meet Arvind in jail, and he has agreed to sign that personal bond pending the outcome of final decision in this case.
Bhushan informed that the date of final hearing has been set as July 31st.
आज इस पिटिशन में हाई कोर्ट ने बोला है कि ये सब मामलों की सुनवाई करी जाएगी और इस पर फैसला दिया जाएगा, और इसके लिए 31 जुलाई की डेट इस केस के फाइनल हियरिंग के लिए मुकर्रर करी गई है.
Representing Nitin Gadkari in the case, Pinky Anand said the U-turn by Kejriwal in the matter is a vindication of the course of law. She clarified if the points in the personal bond were found valid, he will be released.
Court, however, suggested to Mr. Kejriwal and his counsels, through his counsels, that if they agreed to give a personal bond subject to the outcome of the writ petition, then Mr. Kejriwal could be let out, and this offer and suggestion was made by the court in its larger wisdom time and again. I think they took a cue from this proposal, and finally, because seems they weren't very keen to remain inside, you can take stands but you don't want to continue with those, as Mr. Kejriwal has shown. So he accepted this proposal, and the councils accepted this proposal, and they agreed to furnish the personal bond. So there is a vindication of the course of law, of the course of justice, of the course of mandatory procedure, and Mr. Kejriwal will be submitting his bail bond today before the magistrate as per orders of the High Court, and the same will be considered in accordance with law. If it is found satisfactory, he will be released today, and the petition itself will be heard on 31st of July after replies and rejoinders have been filed.
Powered by NNIS.